Hello, my name is Avtandil Giogadze. I'm a solutions engineer here at Fortress Power. You can call me Gio. And today I want to talk to you about avoiding main electrical panel upgrades with Avalon energy storage system. Let's think together. What's the problem here? Well, the problem is that sometimes main service panel upgrades are required, namely when there is no physical space on its bus bars to install a breaker for the additional circuits that you're about to introduce. Well, which circuit could cause that problem? Any circuit could cause that problem. But in the context of the energy storage, distribution, and generation systems, one of the common ones to require such action is the AC solar inverters. So if you have AC coupled PV, you need that circuit to be introduced, and that circuit needs the breaker. Energy storage system hybrid inverters, same here. You have the hybrid inverters, they have to have breakers when they're interconnecting with the rest of the home electrical circuits. Or a level 2 EV charger, very obvious here, just another load, certainly needs a breaker. So why can't you just go ahead and upgrade the main service panel without watching this video, without watching me talking about this stuff? Well, because main panel upgrades are expensive. The job could cost a couple of thousands of dollars. And also, even if you're willing to invest that amount of money into the project for something like this, you should remember that main panel upgrades have to be approved, and the approval process is not exactly short. It could sometimes take up to 3 months. I have seen that, heard that, so it is certainly something to avoid if it's possible to avoid it. Well, we've got you covered with Avalon Energy Storage System. So Avalon energy storage system consists of multiple system elements. That's why we call it a system, because there are multiple elements in it. And the mandatory ones are the inverter, the high voltage battery, and the smart energy panel. And the optional item would be level 2 EV charger. Avalon system has many innovative features to it, many features that we have not introduced before, many features that are extremely useful and make everyone's job a lot easier. But I'm not going to spend any time on those features really here, because I have created material devoted to exactly that, going through the features, showing you the app and so forth. So feel free to refer to those. And today let's refocus ourselves on the problem and its solution. So the solution comes from the smart energy panel. The smart energy panel in its essence is the all-in-one AC combiner integrated into the Avalon system. So what it does is that it combines everything AC. It combines up to 3 Avalon inverters. You directly interconnect the AC coupled PV inverter here. You directly connect the EV charger breaker here and the generator too. So even if you're doing partial home backup and you have the critical load panel is also connected to the smart energy panel. And if you're doing whole home backup, then you have the output from the meter directly connecting to the smart energy panel. And on the other side, so to speak, of the smart energy panel, downstream of it, you have main electrical panel connected to it, right? So you see how it combines all of the AC circuits, and it also does that safely. And we have the certificates to support that claim. We have UL 67 panel board safety certification, and we also have UL 869A, which is service or meter mounting equipment safety certification. The first one would be something that perhaps the AHJ would be interested in. The second one could be something that the utility company could ask you about. But nonetheless, the way it works is that you connect to this breaker right here, either main electrical panel, if you're doing partial home backup, combo panel if you're working in California, and you could also have grid or meter output connected here as well, right? And on the other side, you have AC coupled solar, generator, EV charger, and Avalon hybrid inverter breakers connected. And you also have a separate breaker for a critical load panel or a floating bus bar if you're using a combo panel. So let's think together now. AC coupled solar. Would you put that breaker in the main electrical panel if there was no Avalon or something similar at least to Avalon? Yes. What about the hybrid inverters? Well, at least one if you have one hybrid inverter. Sometimes you have multiple of them. And here for multiple, we have this one breaker, but in other cases, you might need to put in multiple there. And same applies for the EV charger. You would have to have either EV charger panel or EV charger directly connecting to the main service panel or combo panel. Whereas we give you here a separate bus bar with 8 studs where you connect these breakers. And again, we're only talking here the space for the breakers. You should also not forget about the 120% rule and so forth. So yeah, Avalon system is the solution for you. And with all of this in mind, it's easy to see that with the Avalon energy storage system, the installation is quicker because you work with less components and you deal with less complexity. Easier, again, because of the same logic. Cleaner, because you don't have the combiner boxes, distribution panels, breaker boxes, and some other panels, such as, for example, EV panel, all scattered across the wall or multiple walls even, and significantly cheaper. Well, I'm not going to get into it, but I have a feeling that we are very competitively priced, and the verification for that will come to you from our sales department once you contact them. So that's it for today. Thank you very much for your attention, and see you next time.